move up to speed engagements. Okay, one, boom, engage just like this, just at this speed. You want one bullet per target as fast as you can shoot. Moving your scope off this target. And this is what it's going to look like right here through this camera. It's actually going to even move, it's going to look even worse. It's going to move even faster looking through your scope at 100 yards. But it'll be like this, boom, boom, just like that. Not faster. Yeah, 1 round per second on target. And once you train your way up to proficiently getting bullets inside these 2-inch targets, golf ball size targets, approximately the size of what Dustin Ellerman was shooting when he won Top Shot, then you're there.